Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is kind of going to be like my trying new to me videos, except all the products I'm trying in today's video, well, most of the products I'm trying in today's video are new to the market, just came out last week, last month and a half ish. So I'm gonna try them in this video, and because I don't know what look we're going for, I don't even have a matching outfit to go with it, let's just get into it. So this, let's see if you guys can see that. The design on the okay, so this is the Ofra and Francesca Talot Infinite palette. It's a collaboration. I'm assuming she's some type of influencer. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. I feel like this will quickly turn into the use every eyeshadow in the palette challenge, but we're just gonna start out with this one and just start brushing that on. The mirror in this palette is super nice. Let me know in the comments down below. It might just be me, but I feel like not all mirrors in packaging are the same. And you're probably like, well, duh, it's not the same brand, let me know if you understand what I'm saying down below. Like, there are some mirrors where they're just like, you didn't put that much thought into this mirror. And then there are some mirrors where you're just like, all right, I see every pore that I didn't know I had on my face, and this is one of those mirrors. This is nice. If it wasn't, you know, this packaging where it's this, you know, heavy and big, it'd probably be a mirror I used while doing my makeup often. I'm not sure what the word I was looking for there is. Lumpy, clumpy, bulky, there we go. Oh, all right, so now I'm gonna go in with this blue. Not exactly sure how to feel about that orange or this blue while I put it on. If you guys have seen me use that other colorful palette that Ofra has, I wasn't the biggest fan of it, and I'm kind of feeling like it's gonna be the same feeling for this one, but you know, let's finish this out and see how this goes. Here, we're gonna try a pop of color in the inner corner with the pink that's in the palette. This might take a minute. It might need some build up there, but we're going to attempt it. All right, you know what? Let's pack the color on first and then try to blend her out because. Okay, so I went ahead and cut my crease. I was thinking that was my original plan, to cut my crease, but then I was just like, I don't know. But I went ahead and stuck with the plan anyway. So I went ahead and cut my crease, and you see how it's cut so that you can still see the pink there. Normally you would probably like start a cut crease from here and go that way, but I started that way so that you can still see the pink that's not purple. I'm gonna have to go back and clean up the other eye before I start putting shadow on it, but now I'm just gonna take that bright green and start packing it into the front, and then this blue right next to it, and again just start packing that on. Is it the shimmer? I think both of these shades are shimmers. Okay, I threw some black on the end because I realized this blue was starting to look too much like that blue and they were fading into each other. Now for me to go do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, I'm gonna go clean up the fallout on my face, and then we'll move on to the rest of the face. So moving on to foundation, this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation Stick in 285 Chestnut. Now here's what was weird about ordering this. Ooh, okay. This foundation stick, if you order it on the Milani website, I don't know if they fixed it since I ordered it, but when I was on the website, you couldn't see a swatch of the shade that you actually wanted to see. So this is in the shade 285. So if you clicked on the shade 285, a swatch picture of like 170 would pop up. You would click on 285, and then when you actually read the bottom of the swatch, it would say 170. You would click on 170 and it would say like 155. If the website still does that, I'm assuming it's a glitch. So if the website is still doing that, I'll insert, you know, a little screen posting of what I'm trying to say here. If not, then that's like, I'm just telling you guys, like, that's what it was. Yikes. When I was ordering this foundation, so that made picking a shade very hard. It was also very hard because I don't think there were that many shades there. Yikes. We are going to blend this out and see how this goes. Give me a miracle here, please and thank you. Okay, you know, let's see when it fully dries. This kind of feels like the Black Radiance foundation stick that I used in a couple videos ago because it's also not that creamy feel consistency like right out of the tube. With the Maybelline Super Stay, like that's cream like right as soon as you put it on your face. This did not feel like that. It kind of feels like the Black Radiance, where it's like a soft matte. Actually, this might be more matte of a finish than Black Radiance, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Mahogany. This is not new to me. I don't know if I've used this in a video, but I know I used it in an Instagram video. I feel like this is kind of like the L'Oreal concealer, where it's just, you know, it's just an okay concealer, nothing that crazy. I would not, if I were you, I would not use this concealer with the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation unless you have extremely oily skin that you ain't trying to get no dew, no natural finish. You want matte finish on your face, then you can use the two together. If not, then I don't think you'll like the combination of these two. Also, this is not a let it sit on your face type of concealer. I probably shouldn't have put the other side on before blending out the other one, but yeah, you want to work quickly with this concealer here because she ain't playing games with you. All right, she will set. To contour, I'm going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette in their new, it says new here, shade Dark to Deep. This is what the new deepest contour shade looks like. Oh, she dark. Oh, okay, that's a good thing, but less would have been more in my situation right now. All right. And no, y'all said on Twitter that you don't like it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm going to bronze and contour in this video, especially because someone finally listened and made bronzers for deeper complexions. Yes, there are those of us out there who exist who would like to do that. All right, these are from the Prime Beauty, and these are their bronzers. How cute is that? So this is in the shade Brownsville. It looks like this, and this is in the shade Chocolate Lily. I'm gonna go ahead and use Brownsville, kind of lighten up some of that Black Radiance. Not lighten up, warm up some of that Black Radiance contour. Okay, new from Jouer, this is their 6 shade blush palette. Which shade are we gonna use? I kind of want to use this orange, so I'm gonna use this orange. Okay, and we're just going to brush that on. I like that it has a little bit of that shimmer to it, because I feel like those type of blushes give you more of that, you know, sheen blush, you know, from within type of blush. See, this is what I was talking about mirrors and palettes. I feel like this mirror is like a fun house. Is that what it's called? Fun house? You know those mirrors that make you look all discombobulated? That's how I feel looking into this mirror. I also felt like it was blurry, and I'm like, look, my eyesight already isn't 100, so if we could just not, that'd be great. Okay, so CoverGirl came out with this Outlast Active Cooling Setting Mist. They came out with a whole active line, and people are kind of about these active lines because they're just like, really, we need a whole makeup line for people to wear makeup to the gym. But I'm assuming these are for legit, like, you know, active people, like people who play sports, people who have active hobbies. And I'm also thinking that, you know, if this can withstand a Serena Williams tennis match or a Beyonce concert, that it's long-lasting makeup. So even if you're not doing these active type of stuff, you can use these products. That's what I'm assuming. All right, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this mist, though. Please don't hit me in the... Did y'all hear my stomach growl? Please don't hit me in the face. All right, that cucumber. And y'all know I push the setting spray into my face with the powder brush. It's got a strong cucumber scent. I ain't mad at it. I mean, unless it breaks my skin out. I just realized I did not fill in my eyebrows. Now for the lips, these are the Flower Beauty Pop Fanatic Vinyl Lips. These are now available at Ulta. I have 6 shades, but I'm gonna go ahead and use these 2 shades and mix them together. Pretty pigmented vinyls. Okay, I've used these before. They gonna transfer though. I mean, they're not a matte lip product, so they're going to transfer. However, because they're so pigmented, even after, you know, you eat or you do something with your lips where your lips make contact with something else, there's still going to be pigment on your lips because they're just that pigmented. Now, they are a tad bit sticky, but you know. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope seeing these new products on my face and hearing some of my thoughts about these products has helped you or thinking of checking any of them out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye. I always keep pinks like these, but never wear them. We're gonna have to find a reason for me to wear a hot, is it hot pink? Barbie pink? What do you call this?